1 Minute Italian, Lesson 3.
Hello and welcome again to 1 Minute Italian, where you can learn Italian 1 minute at a time. With me, Lorraine.
And me, Gianluca.
We're going to be talking about language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little Italian. You can guarantee that if you say this to an Italian speaker, they will be very impressed with your skills. And remember that a little language goes a long way.
The clock is ticking, so let's get learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for Italian in Italian is
Italiano.
Let's repeat that.
Italiano.
Now, it's important that you know this word well for this lesson because we'll be using it quite a bit. Try saying it again.
Italiano.
To say that you speak Italian, you say
Parlo italiano.
Note that in Italian you don't need the word for I because I is already contained in the ending of the word parlo. Don't worry about this just now. Listen again.
Parlo italiano.
One more time.
Parlo italiano.
We're going to add to this a little. Perhaps it's safer to say, I speak a little Italian. The word for a little is
Un po'.
So putting this together with
Parlo italiano.
you would say
Parlo un po' di italiano.
Listen to this again. It's quite tricky.
Parlo un po' di italiano.
Excellent. Try it one more time.
Parlo un po' di italiano. Time's up.
I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned today will go down well with any Italian-speaking friends or business colleagues you meet.
That's all for today. Grazie e arrivederci.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.